Welcome everyone to Microsoft Word 2013. My name is Ann McAllister and I'll be your instructor today. Glad to have you with us. Let's just jump right in here. When I start Microsoft Word, I see these cool looking templates. As I scroll up and down, I've got things for certificates and calendars and greeting cards. So lots of desktop publishing choices here. In the old days, these things used to come up in Microsoft Publisher, but not so much in Microsoft Word. Nowadays, Microsoft Word is not just a word processor, but it's a desktop publisher. I've got lots of things I can do, but I do want to just start with a blank page right now. I could search for other kinds of templates available at Microsoft's website, but I'm not ready to do that. I just want to start getting my hands dirty and do some typing. And I also want to talk about basic page setup, things that we can control about how our page will look. So to get started, I could point here at the blank document template. I could click on it. I could double click on it. But in fact, if I don't click on any of these choices and I just, for example, tap the escape key, it will give me a blank document to work on. So why don't you do that for just a second? Go start Microsoft Word. When you see all the templates thus far, just tap the escape key to get a blank document, and then come on back. All right, everybody, so let's get our hands dirty and do some typing in here. I would like to put in today's date. So I'm going to start typing today's date. I'm recording this in March. So as I begin typing March, when I hit the space bar, it says, hey, would you like me to complete that for you? So I'm going to say, yes, Word, I'd love you to do that. And it says I can do that by pressing the Enter key, and there I am, hitting the Enter key, and it finishes typing today's date. Now I'd like to make it jump down and start a new line, and certainly to do that, I will use the Enter key as well. So now I'm going to put my name in there. Maybe an address, like 123 Elm Street. In about Oakland, and I don't know what the zip code would be, so I'll just make one up. And I hit the Enter key. So take a minute and catch up with me. You've started your Word document, you got that blank piece of paper. Start typing today's date. As soon as you finish the name of the month and hit the space bar, it will offer to finish the date for you. You'll just hit the Enter key twice to get it to do that. First time you hit Enter, it finishes the date. Second time you hit Enter, it kicks the cursor down to the next line. And then you're going to do what I did, type your name and your address, and then come on back and we're going to play with moving things around on the screen a little bit. So put the video on pause, and then come try this stuff that I've been doing, and then come on back.